contract on the Shanghai Future Exchange ended up 3.7% higher a ton, which was actually a more than 8-year high. The London prices for copper are going up the same way, about roughly 1.8% to a level of $7,640 a ton. This actually the best month in 4 years. Why? Because solid China manufacturing data came out over the night, and the risk sentiment is being fueled actually by the positive vaccine developments in the world, which is actually lifting the sentiment. The Chinese factory activity expanded at the fastest pace in more than 3 years in November, which is actually on track to be the first major economy to really fully recover from the COVID-19 pandemic and the corona crisis, which is due, of course, to a major lockdowns in the world. As we all know, copper is widely used in the manufacturing sector, and China consumes about half of the metal globally. So now this is the fact why, based on this positive Chinese data, the copper price is going that much up today. Basically, all the other metals are following the same direction. The only exception this morning is nickel, which is losing more than 1%. But from a trading point of view, there's actually no reason to be short now. It's good, good, and good. That's what a Chinese trader said earlier this morning, as he was referring to this positive Chinese data and to the vaccine development. He says, I would buy every metal, especially those really undervalued, for example, like lead, adding that the market would further rally until the funds are trading basically on macroeconomic news, and those are starting actually to make profits, and they are definitely not reducing any positions. On the fundamental news, their union is on strike at the Chile's Candelaria copper mine, and they accepted a new offer from the Canadian mining company Lundin. So we will have to wait until further developments from that side. Copper miners and smelters are still miles apart on their negotiations on concentrate treatment charges for next year, so that is still unclear. And otherwise, the euro is still being very strong, with current level of 119.79, 119.80. On the economic calendar for today, we will have the German Consumer Price Index, which might give an input to the European markets. And in the United States, we will have the US Chicago Purchasing Manager Index coming out this afternoon, as well as the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index. Anyhow, the mood is up, prices are going up. Have a good day.